Hi, this is Doreen with WTI. I wanted to show you this shower chair by Medline. I just love how steady this shower chair is. When you're sitting in it, you can just stand up easily and sit back down. It doesn't move even when you're fidgeting in the shower chair, so it makes it very safe for someone who's unsteady on their feet. I also love the curved seat, which makes it very comfortable to sit in. It's almost like you're sitting on a cushion when it's actually a plastic. One of my favorite things about this shower chair is that it is height adjustable, but the feet are numbered so you know exactly which hole you want to put it in when you're adjusting the seat. It has rubber soles on the feet, and so that makes it stay in place even when the floor is wet. It is very lightweight, so it's easy to move it in and out of the shower or even in and out of one bathroom into another bathroom. I love the grip handles also on here, so you have something to hold on to when you need to stand up if you need that extra support. So if you're looking for something safe, comfortable, that can make bath time a little easier for any loved one, give this shower chair a try. But that's just my point of view.